I, Associate Professor Jyoti Kiran Ikka from SAM College of Nursing under SAM Global University, will be dealing with the subject Child Health Nursing. The topic will be Internationally Accepted Rights of Children. This will be covering syllabus for both general nursing and BSc nursing students under Unit 1 Introduction Modern Concepts of Children. So we will start with the first slide, that is introduction. Children are innocent, trusting, and full of hope. Their childhood should be happy and loving. Their lives should be gradually mature as they gain new experiences. तो जैसे जैसे वो मेच्योर करते जाते हैं वैसे वैसे उनकी ज़िंदगी में लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंसेस भी एडअप होती जाती हैं. बट फॉर मेनी चिल्ड्रन द रियलिटी ऑफ चाइल्डहुड इज़ ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट. 2 million Indian babies will die before they celebrate their first birthday. More girl children will be killed at birth than any previous year, and at least 35 million children aged 6 to 14 years. Officially, statistics will not be in the school. मतलब वो स्कूल जाना छोड़ देते हैं 6 से 14 साल की उम्र के बच्चे, जो कि करीबन हमारी जो गिनती हुई है वो 35 मिलियन चिल्ड्रन की है. एंड 17 मिलियन चिल्ड्रन इन इंडियन वर्क बिकॉज दे आर इन चाइल्ड लेबर. वी कंटिन्यू विद दैट राइट थ्रू द हिस्ट्री. सो हमने अपनी पूरी हिस्ट्री में देखा गया, इतिहास में देखा गया है, चिल्ड्रन हैव बीन एब्यूज्ड एंड एक्सप्लॉइटेड. नाउ व्हाट इज एब्यूज? एब्यूज दैट इज यूज ऑफ बैड इफेक्ट और बैड पर्पस, ट्रीट विद क्रूअलिटी और वायलेंस. सो इनको एब्यूज़ किया गया है. एक्सप्लॉइटेड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन हिंदी वी कैन से शोषण करना, ट्रीटिंग अनफेयरली टू गेट अ बेनिफिट और एडवांटेज थ्रू इट. And because of that exploitation, they suffer from harmful condition, high infant mortality, and deficient health care, and limited opportunities for basic education. So the child should need this? No. A child need not live such a life. Child must be preserved. Child has the right to survive, has the right to develop, has the right to be protected and participate in the decision that impact their lives. Now the another slide is concept of pediatrics. Now the term pediatric is derived from Greek word. What are those Greek word? It is comes from three Greek word, that is pedia, itric, and ix. Now what is pedia? Pedia meaning a child, itric meaning surgery or medicine, and ix meaning branch of science or sciences. But here we are going to relate with child care, preventive as well as curative aspect. In sentences, when we form the concept of pediatric, we can have the phrases like pediatric, therefore, is concerned with the health of infant, children, and adolescents, their growth and development, and their attaining full potential as adults. So pediatric का मतलब क्या हो गया फिर? Because it is concerned with the health of infant, children, and adolescent, and those of their growth and development and attaining their full potential as adults. तो जब हेल्थ की बात हो रही है तो जब बच्चा छोटा होता है, इन्फेंट होता है, फिर चिल्ड्रन के एज ग्रुप में आता है, एडोलेसेंट की ग्रोथ में आता है. तो जो भी ग्रुप में आता है उनकी फुल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट एज वेल एज व्हेन दे कम टू अटेन द स्टेज ऑफ अडल्ट, दे शुड बी वेरी पोटेंशियल, वेरी सिमिलर टू द अडल्ट्स. तो ये पूरा डेवलपमेंट, ग्रोथ और हेल्थ रिलेट करता है पीडियाट्रिक्स को. Next phrase we can understand by the concept of pediatric can be, it is not only to care for physical, mental, and emotional health from conception to maturity, but also to demonstrate concern for social, environmental, and cultural influences that are known to have considerable fallout on children and their families. तो यहाँ पर हम सिर्फ किस चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं? इट इज़ नॉट ओनली टू केयर ऑफ चाइल्ड्स और फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ. वो तो तीनों ही एस्पेक्ट्स ही नहीं होते, लेकिन इट इज़ कवरिंग फ्रॉम कंसेप्शन. और व्हाट इज़ कंसेप्शन? एक्शन ऑफ कंसीविंग अ चाइल्ड. तो जैसे ही चाइल्ड कंसीव हो जाता है, दैट मीन्स इन प्रेगनेंसी स्टेट to maturity state, that means the child is going to be delivered, the child is going to be come to the world, develop, grow, and come to be becoming an adult. वो पूरा जो लेवल है, स्टेजेस है, क्रॉस करता है. प्लस ड्यूरिंग दिस क्रॉसिंग ऑफ द स्टेजेस, the child is also demonstrating concern for the social environment environmental influences, cultural influences, which comes into the children, otherwise which comes into the family. किसी को भी affect कर सकता है, वो सब कुछ हमारा pediatrics है. Another sentences we can have: pediatric is a branch of medical science that deals specifically with children, their development, childhood diseases. Now we come to terminologies used in pediatrics. What are those terminologies? So here basically we have four terminologies for pediatrics, that is pediatrics, child rights and child's rights. Now one by one we are going to deal with the concept. First is pediatric. What is pediatrics? Now pediatrics is regarded as the medical science which enables an anticipated newborn to grow into a healthy adult useful to the society. So pediatric क्या है? एक ऐसा मेडिकल साइंस है जो कि enables करता है, that means helps, assist और facilitates an anticipated newborn. Anticipated means the expected something will happen, or if there is something to happen, we are going to take action in preparation for something. So if there is anticipated newborn, that means the lady in the family can be pregnant, or unka expected something what will happen, there can be expectation of a newborn at some days. So what will happen at the time of pregnancy? Pregnancy से कहाँ से start हो रहा है pediatric? Pregnancy से start हो रहा है, फिर delivering of a newborn, and that newborn is going to become a healthy adult, and that healthy adult should be useful to the society. This full comes in pediatrics. In another sentence we can have, it is the study of the child from very conception through childhood and adolescence. Now we come to second terminology, that is child. Who is a child? So here, according to international law, a child means every human being below the age of 18 years. Childhood is characterized as a period of special consideration in human rights term as the period of evolving abilities and vulnerabilities relative to those of adults. तो इंटरनेशनल लॉ के अकॉर्डिंग चाइल्ड क्या है? वो हर एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है जिसकी उम्र 18 साल से कम होती है. और चाइल्डहुड जो पीरियड है वो स्पेशल कंसिडरेशन का ह्यूमन राइट के टर्म में क्यों होता है? बिकॉज इट इज़ हैविंग द पीरियड ऑफ इवॉल्विंग एबिलिटीज़, उसकी क्षमताएँ बहुत सारी हो सकती हैं, एंड वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ रिलेटिव टू दोज ऑफ अडल्ट्स. नाउ वल्नरेबिलिटीज़ मीन्स ससेप्टेबल टू कॉज इंजरी और ट्रॉमा. मीन्स चाइल्ड कैन हैव easily physically, emotionally, mentally, any type of hurt or influenced or attacked, as when it is related to the adults, they are more easily physically or emotionally or mentally hurt. तो ये vulnerable group होता है, तो इसीलिए इनको हम child बोलते हैं according to international law. Now we come to another, that is rights. What are rights? Rights are legal, social or ethical principles of freedom or entitlement. That is, rights are the fundamental normative rules about what is allowed of people, otherwise what is owed to people according to some legal system, social convention और ethical theory. तो राइट्स कोई लीगल, सोशल या तो एथिकल प्रिंसिपल हो सकते हैं फ्रीडम के लिए, या तो ऐसे ही कुछ हेडिंग जो कि हम एंटाइटलमेंट बोल सकते हैं. दैट इज राइट्स आर द फंडामेंटल नॉर्मेटिव रूल्स अबाउट व्हाट इज अलाउड of the people, otherwise what is owed to the people, and it can be according to the some legal system, otherwise it can be according to the social convention, otherwise it can be according to the ethical theory. Now we come to the fourth main terminology, that is child's right. Children's right are the perceived human rights of children with particular attention to the rights of special protection and care afforded to the young, including their rights to association with parents, human as well as the basis needs for the development of the child.